Okay, this is the portobello mushroom we're gonna serve to the lady who is celebrating Valentine's, Chinese New Year and birthday as well. Alright? Okay, let's go in. And this is the portobello mushroom. As you can see, once it's big, it becomes smaller. Okay, but because of the Chinese New Year, it's definitely smaller because, like I say, you know, I couldn't get a bigger one. Okay, so come next week again, or come 3 days more. Okay. So how was the food just now? So far? So good. Okay, so good. So I charge you triple. Okay, 4-0 already, right? I think. Okay, this one would be 5-0. You want to put on side bet, Nana? Okay. Okay.